Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of FHMB. In this episode I'm just going to give you a quick review of my new helmet. So the peak on this Endura SingleTrack II is adjustable. It clicks into 3 different positions, really useful for keeping the sun and mud out your eyes. It's got some really big vent holes that let plenty of air through to keep you nice and cool. They do have mesh inside to keep the bugs out, which is a good thing. It's really lightweight. You hardly know you've got it on your head. It's got a twist ratchet on the back for adjustment. Internally it's got vertical movement, so you can move it up and down like 4 or 5 notches. This is the same on the sides. You can move it forwards and backwards into 3 different positions, which is plenty of adjustment to fit any size head. It actually comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, medium large and large extra large. The helmet comes highly rated from NBR magazine. It got a 9 out of 10. The strap on it is highly adjustable and comfortable. The only bad point I've got to say about it is the clip that you get on top, which I was excited about having to fit my GoPro on. It doesn't come in the box. Now this only costs £3 if you search it on the internet. I would have much rather paid an extra £3 for the helmet and have it arrive in the box. So there's a tip for your Endura: stick the clip in the box. All in all, fantastic helmet, 10 out of 10 from me. I'll put a link in the description if you want to go check it out for yourself, give it a click. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.